Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I will introduce how to mint FxToken on Arbitrum. Let's get started. First, start by selecting the Arbitrum testnet rank by network. If you haven't used or don't have assets on this network, you can review my previous video on how to connect assets to Arbitrum testnet. And mainnet coming soon. Mint FxToken with collateral assets. There are various usage examples, such as hedge, speculate or pay bills. The collateral can be deposited at handle in the dashboard, at the Vaults and Go Deposit Collateral tab, or on the mint page if the required amount of FxToken exceeds the current C ratio. Go to the mint page, select the FxToken coin you want to mint and enter the desired amount, which can choose to enter the number manually, or use the max function. The max function sets the maximum number of FxTokens to mint depending on the available pledged assets, if C ratio more 200% or the value of all pledged assets in your wallet, with a minimum C ratio of 200%, or whatever is higher if the user has already entered the amount. If there is a collateral asset deposited in the handle vault, then the C ratio value will be displayed before the required mint amount of FxToken is entered. Once the FxToken amount is entered, the C ratio will update automatically and will show the amount you want to add below. If additional collateral assets are required to achieve a minimum 200% C ratio, price and value of collateral assets required for the FxToken margin will also be reflected. Users can increase the amount of collateral assets required to exceed the C ratio more 200%. If they wish to increase their margin to reduce the risk of collateral damage, liquidate in the event that the price of the collateral asset decreases. This can be done by adjusting the slider directly minimum is 200%. After deciding the amount of FxToken to mint and amount of collateral assets, click on Deposit and Mint to transact and pay gas through connected wallet. If max is selected for the amount of FxToken that depends on the value of the collateral asset in the wallet, users will need to reduce the amount of FxToken slightly in order to have enough Ethereum to pay for gas. In the future, there will be improvements to make the UX better. Once the transaction is complete, FxToken will mint and the data in the dashboard will update for us to see. The last step is to add the FxToken's contract address to the wallet to be able to see and use the tokens in the wallet. Thank you everyone for watching. And remember to always follow the project to get the latest updates.